Andrea, hi, can you remind me if I'm using Outlook? Will I see a preview GIF? So on this one, Andrea, I think it's with the direct integration. The GIF isn't there on Outlook, but if you copy and paste, do you remember the nuance between that?
You have two options actually. Let me share my screen here. So when you send out videos and you open your Outlook, open your Chrome extension here, select that video. So let's say, for example, this one. If you copy this to clipboard and just paste it in the body of the email, it's just going to be the animated GIF preview. But some Outlook doesn't work this way because if you click the play button, it's just going to play the GIF. So what we did here is that we had in the advanced option optimized for Outlook. So if you check here, this feature is intended for Outlook users instead of generating animated GIF preview link that is not compatible with some Outlook users. A still image will be generated as a preview link so that when the play button is clicked, it will be your audience or your recipient will be sent to the video landing page that you have. So that's the use case.
That's awesome. Great
Yeah.
explanation, And Andrea, I had a great call with Ina yesterday. She is awesome. We agree, Andrea. Ina is the best. She
Thank you,
knows
Andrea.
everything. She runs the ship.